Welcome to the world of AI-powered businesses, where innovation and technology are rapidly changing the game. If you're an entrepreneur looking to start a new business venture or upgrade your current one, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to start your own AI-powered business in 2023, step by step, to help you achieve success and stay ahead of the competition. So, let's dive in. With the rise of artificial intelligence, businesses are taking advantage of the technology to enhance their products and services. AI-powered businesses are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They offer improved efficiency, accuracy, and productivity, making them more profitable than traditional businesses. But before you jump into starting an AI-powered business, you need to identify a niche that you're passionate about and research the market to see if there's a demand for your product or service. Look for areas where AI can make a significant impact, such as healthcare, finance, or education. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build a team of experts who can help you develop your AI-powered product or service. This could include software developers, AI engineers, data scientists, and business analysts. Look for people with experience in AI and a passion for innovation. The next step is to develop your AI-powered product or service. This will involve working closely with your team of experts to create a solution that meets the needs of your target market. Start with a minimum viable product, MVP, and refine it based on customer feedback and market demand. Once you have your AI-powered product or service ready, it's time to create a marketing strategy to promote it to your target audience. This could involve social media marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Identify the channels that your target audience uses the most and create campaigns that speak to their pain points and needs. As with any business, it's important to monitor and optimize your AI-powered business to ensure its success. Use analytics tools to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. Continuously refine your product or service based on customer feedback and market demand. Starting an AI-powered business may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be a highly profitable and rewarding venture. By identifying a niche, building a team of experts, developing your product or service, creating a marketing strategy, and monitoring and optimizing your business, you can create a successful AI-powered business in 2023 and beyond. Thank you for watching.